snowstorm in the middle of Wisconsin. That is upper west Wisconsin, somewhere close to Menomonee, Wisconsin. And you can see that visibility is so poor that see the road condition. It's covered by snow. I'm just taking a break at a rest area.